Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yahoo Mail privacy settings and account protection, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info. In the Account Information section, look for Account Security on the left sidebar. Click on Account Security to access your security settings. You may be prompted to verify your identity using a code sent to your registered mobile number or email. After verification, toggle the switch to enable two-step verification if it is not already activated. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Next, return to the Account Information section and click on Privacy. Here, you can manage your privacy settings for Yahoo Mail. Look for options like Manage who can see your information and adjust as necessary. You can also review your recent account activity for any unauthorized access. Make sure to sign out of any inactive devices under the Recent Activity section. Consider changing your password if you notice any suspicious activity. To enhance your email privacy, check the settings for spam and security filters. Return to the main settings menu and navigate to General. Look for Security to review and customize your spam protection. Once you have finished adjusting all settings, ensure to save your changes. Finally, log out of your Yahoo Mail account when you're done to maintain security. Following these steps will help you secure your Yahoo Mail account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.